Okay, gang, section 1.8, number 25, we're going to do composites. All right, so let's start with the first one. We're going to do F composite G of X. F composite G of X. Now, remember, the one on the right always gets stuffed into the one on the left. So let me take it out of this form. Okay, so out of this form, it looks like this. G is going to go into F. So this is G. It's going to go into F wherever there are X's, okay? So this just happens to have one X. If it had many X's, it would go into all the X's. Okay, so G gets stuffed into F right where the X is. So when I write F, which is the outer shell, I'm going to write it as X plus 8, but I'm going to make X like an opening because X is going to get replaced with whatever G is. So now I'm going to shove this into where the X is. Okay, and now I'll take off the box just so you can see it a little better. And then you want to combine like terms anywhere you can. So this is going to become X plus 5 is the final answer. That is the composite. Remember, if this is just in terms of X, you're not actually plugging in a number. If there's a value here, then you're plugging in an actual number into the problem. All right, let's do B. Now, B, they're asking for G composite F. All right, so let me just take a moment here just to erase my little things that I had put here. So remember, the one on the right always gets stuffed into the one on the left. So if I take it out of this form, it's G F of X, meaning that F is getting substitute into G. It's getting stuffed in there. All right, so here's all of F. We're going to shove it into G where the X is. And again, if there's more than one X, you shove it into all the X's. All right, so G is the outer part or the shell. So X, that would be X minus 3. This is the G function, but I'm now going to shove F into where the X was. Okay, now I'll just take off the box so you can see it a little bit better. So in this particular problem, we don't really see a difference in the answer because this and this was the same, but as the functions get more complicated, you won't have sort of like that dumb luck sort of answer. It'll you know, it'll be different, okay? All right, now the last one is G composite G of X. So you're actually sticking G into itself. So if it helps, I can write the G function out twice. Okay, I'm just copying it out twice. I'm basically going to shove G into G. So in the G function, you're going to shove the whole thing into where the X is. All right, so the shell is X minus 3, right? That's the G function. Now I'm going to shove the G function into itself. I'll pull off the box, and it's going to be X minus 6. Okay, G into G. All right, gang, hope that helped. That's the end of number 29. Catch you. Bye-bye.